You're just gonna work in the product evenly. As you can see, it's already eating away at the water spots with little to no pressure. Welcome to Quick Fix Friday. Did you guys park your car in front of some sprinklers? Well, today we're gonna show you in 60 seconds how to fix it. We just washed the car. Unfortunately, that was not enough to remove these heavy water spots. So we're gonna grab our heavy duty water spot remover and our applicator pad. All you're gonna do is put a couple dots on the pad. That is more than enough right there. Now, all you're gonna do is apply it onto the surface that does have the water spots. You don't really need to put too much elbow grease. You're just gonna work in the product evenly. As you can see, it's already eating away at the water spots with little to no pressure. You're gonna wanna make sure you work the product in side to side, crosshatch motion. So that's gonna be left to right, up and down. Now this product is acidic, so you don't wanna let it sit for too long. For that reason, we're gonna be neutralizing it with our streak-free window cleaner. All you're gonna do is spray the surface, and you're gonna get yourself a clean microfiber towel, fold it in fours, and just wipe it clean. Now, while you do need to neutralize our water spot remover after you're done using it, you can use water if that's what you have on hand. If not, feel free to use our streak-free window cleaner or a quick detailer of your choice. Now, if you have water spots on your paint and not your glass, it's gonna be the same exact concept. You're gonna wanna use our water spot remover, apply it evenly, then make sure you do neutralize it. This product not only works on glass, but also works on your paint, chrome surfaces, headlights, taillights, shower doors, and your faucets. And that's how quick and easy it is to remove heavy duty water spots, even the ones that are baked onto your glass or paint. Thank you for joining us on this Quick Fix Friday. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around if you guys wanna see us work on other areas of the car.